To survive my empty nest, I moved 4,400 miles to Morocco, solo, sight unseen. I signed a 2-year teaching contract at the American School of Marrakesh. I wanted to travel more, write more, and live with more faith and less fear. That experience became a blog, articles and other publications, a memoir, and a podcast. I'm back in Nashville but still promote Morocco and return when I can. This summer, I led a writing retreat in Marrakesh and Essaouira. Women from 3 U.S. states and an Australian expat living in Fez made up the group. Morocco has been a muse to many, writers, painters, musicians, and designers through the centuries. Empty nesters and single women like me agree that its exotic beauty, epic adventures, and warm people are a fountain of youth. I chose my favorite experiences with people I knew would inspire the group. One was a mule trek and lunch in a Berber village near Toubkal, the highest mountain in northern Africa. Thanks to my friend Kate Woods of Morocco Bespoke, I first did this trek in 2016. It was great seeing our friend Lahcen again and meeting his family. The women on the retreat agreed it was a highlight, pun intended, and day they'll never forget. If you have questions, there's more info in the links below. Watch on to see what to expect on this adventure, how to make Moroccan tea, how to make Berber bread, and the feast.
So this we call it tea ceremony. Instead of making you the tea from the kitchen, so we can make it in the front. One of you will be volunteer to make us.
You guys need to see how much sugar is in here, what it looks like.
Main ingredient, the main ingredient is the green tea. And the tea has been introduced to Morocco by a British man as a gift in 18th centuries. Then it becomes very common way to show Moroccan hospitality since that time. And each Moroccan can consume up till 3 kilos a year. 3 kilos a year.
That's a lot.
Of the green tea, it's a lot. And then we do flavor the tea with mint. Fresh mint, or with sage, or with absinthe, or with wild mint, or verbena, or chamomile, or thyme, or there are different types of herbs that we flavor the tea with. And then we got sugar. Sugar.
He's okay. He's okay.
The sugar, it comes from Morocco. It grows in Morocco, about 150 kilometers east of Marrakesh. And it's from sugar cane or from sugar beet. And this is the reason why we have many dentists in everywhere.
Yes, everywhere. Moroccans eat sugar.
Yeah, dentist.
All the time.
So the first things that we will start with, it's the clean or to warm the pot. Can you close please and shake. And of course we don't need some boiling water. It's already boiled, it's here.
Here's one I prepared earlier.
And then you pour out here in one of the cups and fit one Muhammad. He's going to throw it on the sink.
He's got a job.
Yeah, he's learning.
Oh, well done. Good job.
And then a handful of the green tea goes in.
A real handful.
Depends the size of the teapot and depends how many people are having tea.
I think he got burned.
Depends, I think so.
Oh, that is learning.
He's learning. He did.
It's hot. It
Didn't make a sound, did he?
What is it?
Is it okay?
He did it,
No worries. No worries.
This is a hand, and then a cup of boiling water goes in. Then we close it and we leave it for 1 minute, 2 minutes. It's we call it to steep the tea, or to brew, or to mash.
Mess. The mash. The mash. That's very English,
Mash
isn't
the
it?
tea.
When we first came here, Cindy, that road up there did not exist. See where that
So
car's
we were
going?
up there, where the car,
Yeah.
and you came on the 4x4s quickly.
So oh gosh.
Yeah, you were up there.
Where did we start? We was up there?
Yeah,
Yeah, all the way down.
You started from
The
there,
car park, yeah.
and you went on the waterfall over there.
Oh my god.
Oh, wow.
that was our trek.
Yeah, can you pour out here, please?
Yeah.
So she's pouring the first cup. That's it. And then we will add another cup of melon water. Then you need to shake. You shake for 2 hours and a half.
2.5 hours? Okay.
They will have lunch and have a tea.
You'll still be
And you still be shaking.
So I
No,
stop
keep
or I keep
shaking.
Oh, okay.
I'm not joking. But since you came with the kite, it's say 1 hour.
Oh, only an hour. Thank you, Kate.
That's okay. My pleasure.
Keep shaking,
Okay.
please. Look at Mohammed.
This is like wax on, wax off.
It's still 45 minutes. Luckily, the time it's flying over quickly. Mohammed, what
Quite a
are
ritual.
Lahcen, how's all?
you see the colors are different.
Oh, yucky, yes.
Ew, yeah, I don't like that second one.
So what do you see? Two different colors. Which one do you think is good? Which one we will use again? Which one we will throw away?
I think the second one you'll throw away.
We throw this one.
Yes. Yeah, that one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe not.
Maybe no.
Kate, what do you
Does
think?
Kate know?
I better keep quiet.
It's green.
Cindy?
This little bit green?
We can throw that one away, but I'm not sure.
Okay.
I'm going to say no because it's counterintuitive.
Yeah, exactly.
Well, you
No.
would think that, yes.
So we have to use this one. We call it the spirit. of the
So we
tea.
do throw the bad one away.
And this one,
Right.
Yes.
this one we
Yucky.
throw it away.
Ah.
And now we fill the pot.
That's interesting.
Now, what did you call it? What did you?
Spirit.
Spirit.
And then we fill the pot. And then
We
we
shake
boil it.
boil it again.
We boil it first.
No shake for 2 hours now.
No. We boil it first, then we can add the mint. So would you like to have mint or other herbs? I think the common one.
Yeah. I like
Yeah, I
that.
like mint. But the other ones are interesting.
So it depends on the season, by the way.
Okay.
Oh,
So during the winter time we use warm wood like absinthe and sage to warm up. But during summertime it's mint, it's for refreshing,
smell.
bubbling. Yeah.
Oh, I see.
Oh, yes, high bubble.
Can you get the mint, please?
Okay.
And rub it in your hands. And then crush it.
Right.
Yeah, if you can.
Okay.
Yeah, away from
Away?
the teapot.
Okay.
Yeah, that's enough and goes in. That's good. And then the decision of the sugar.
Oh,
Mm.
a tiny weeny bit. Do we
think-
want
yeah,
Zuya?
just a tiny bit.
You would like to have it as a traditional way?
It's a very sweet.
Yes.
Traditional
Yes.
way is sweet. Isn't
Very,
it?
Very
sweet,
sweet,
probably.
The traditional way.
Would be a,
Look at that.
I like the traditional way.
Maybe 2 big ones.
We will not make it that traditional, but we can make it.
Lahcen, would you drink it with that many?
With normally for Moroccans should be the first one plus this plus this.
But would you? What about you personally?
Yeah, I can do it.
All that sugar. Oh,
Depends actually the size of the teapot.
Ah, okay.
So the proper way for mixing the teapot, the tea, it's to pour
Wow.
The way they always put it up so high.
and pour back.
Pour it back in.
You do it like 3 times, please. Go higher,
Oh.
much higher, much higher. Look at her. That's enough. Again.
Get that picture too.
Sorry. Again, much higher, much higher, much higher, much higher.
Oh goodness.
That's enough.
Yeah, they do it real high.
One more time.
Oh,
wow.
Yeah, you go higher,
You go higher.
much higher. Look at Cindy this time.
Okay.
That's
But it's so
enough.
cool how it still stays in the cup like
This
that.
is actually the way how it should be, the bubble. That's a good tip.
Okay.
like a beer.
I
It's meant to
didn't know
look
that.
like a beer with the froth.
Yeah. So now you pour a little tiny bit here. Averti اللي كيسانو مهما. That's enough. Averti اللي كيسانو الكوزينة. It's going to get the cups.
Ah.
Now you taste.
His English will be good any minute, won't it?
Huh?
His English is going to be great.
Yeah.
Is that a cup?
Oh, he has to come
Can't
up.
reach it.
Oh, he needs a stool.
He needs a stool.
And he knew that.
Very
Now you
organized.
start-
Stool to the left.
Can I show you?
Yeah.
You start from lower and you go higher. And you leave the third of the cup empty.
Okay.
And it should
might have to
have
stand up.
it should have the bubble.
Okay. Oh. Ah!
Yeah, go higher. Higher.
It's hard to.
Higher. Much higher. That's enough. One, it's the how we make the dough and how we bake the bread in the old tradition clay oven, which is the one that you see down there. That has been lidded already. So it's already on. The reason why then it can be heated in advance, okay? As it takes time. Sirden. So the ingredient for making the dough, we do need 2 different types of flour. We have barley and wheat, okay? And we will be sifting the flour, and then we will add yeast. That's how we can how it can rise quickly, and then salt and olive oil, of course. Okay. So you need to be here, please.
Oh, I need.
And there's a baby on the mother's back as well, a little girl.
And some water, not that hot, not that cold. It's in between. We say warm water. Okay.
Oh, okay.
That's enough. I have
Yeah. Can you mix?
Okay.
And then we will do the water. Then let's stick it. Now, yeah, can you mix all together, please? Yeah. Take it inside.
Is she your mama?
My aunt.
Your aunt.
Yeah, my mom. She's here.
Your mom is in here.
Well, Mohammed.
Oh, wow, she goes right down in there.
I never knew they did it like that. I've seen them put it on a slab and I've helped them, like put it into the oven, but I've not seen it on the side of the oven.
Some spices,
Okay. Just stop wherever.
hot olives, black olives, olive oil.
Thank
Some
you.
salt, cumin, black pepper.
And the bread with the olive oil is
Yes.
to die for.
Yeah, I haven't had lamb yet.
Cheese. Breathe. She's taking a video.
Bye.